Hi everyone, this is Oksana. I am a multi-award-winning peer-reviewed immunology scientist based in Florida and Michigan, and together, my twin sister and I, we've helped hundreds of people globally become symptom-free within 2 to 6 weeks. So if you feel like your health is slipping out of control, even though you've tried every supplement, diet, or doctor visit, then this video is for you. Maybe you're dealing with constant fatigue that ruins time with your family. Maybe you've been overwhelmed by endless conflicting advice, or maybe you're starting to lose hope because nothing seems to work for you long term. And what if I told you if hundreds of women and men just like you that we have personally worked with have reversed joint pain, brain fog, hair loss, even hormonal problems and weight problems in as little as 6 weeks? And they did it without medications, without supplements, or complicated protocols. So, in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how a rapid immunocellular repair method works and why it's nothing like you've ever tried before. Otherwise, you would have seen rapid improvements in your health within just several weeks, like hundreds of our clients have seen. Before I go further, let me make sure that this is the right thing for you. So, this is for you if you have an autoimmune condition or strongly suspect that you do. You've tried long term treatments and testing, but you haven't seen lasting results or improvements. You don't want to take more supplements or more medications or continue doing more complicated protocols. And we've spent over a decade simplifying our process to make it work rapidly and long term in real life and in real world. And this is for you if you refuse to accept your current situation or you refuse to accept that your condition is permanent. Whether you've been struggling with your health for 1 year or 20 years, like many of our clients are, and you feel like it's possible to feel better and you're ready to do whatever it takes for you to get there. And you're not looking to consume more information. You're ready for personal help and real guidance. And you also maybe spent time and money and things that never actually delivered the results that you were looking for. And you're ready to follow a science based, proven path to cellular repair instead of continuing to guess your way through your health journey. And if this sounds like you, then continue watching. And if not, no worries. This is not just, something else that you could try and expect that maybe will work for you. We work with people who we know we can help, who want to learn how to optimize the way that their whole body functions. Another thing why you should listen to me is I'm a peer-reviewed published immunology scientist with over 15 years of experience helping hundreds of people globally reverse inflammatory conditions rapidly within 2 to 6 weeks. And I've been award-winning researcher on the immune system, and I also studied how food affects our inflammation levels and cellular repair. And my sister and I have helped hundreds of people globally around the world recover, even when doctors told them that, they just had to live with it. Our clients like Joy, who stopped taking whole thyroid medications after reversing Hashimoto's autoimmune disease, because her thyroid went back to normal function and has stayed that way even without the medications. Our client Diana, who spent $30,000 on chiropractors and nutritionists and different therapies within just 8 months, that left her bedridden, and we helped her become symptom free from rheumatoid arthritis in just 30 days. That's right, you heard me, just 30 days. And here's a real problem. This is one of the reasons why you're still sick. Most autoimmune treatments out there fail for one simple reason. They only treat your symptoms. They do not repair your cells. Medications and supplements might reduce inflammation temporarily, but they don't repair your immune system. They suppress it. Functional medicine often overwhelms you with 10-step protocols and expensive lab work. And different diets leave you feeling malnourished, frustrated, and still sick. Here's what no one tells you: doing more is not better. Most of our clients come to us after spending thousands of dollars on treatments with no real results long term. They've been suppressing the immune system, not optimizing it. And that makes all the difference. So what's the difference between suppressing versus optimizing your immune system, especially when it comes to conditions like autoimmune disease? This is important to understand, and frankly, why this is why most conventional treatments fail long term, and this is what doctors even miscommunicate to you. Immunosuppression, which is what drugs do, means shutting down your immune system. So it stops attacking your body. But it also means you lose protection from infections. Your body struggles to fight off viruses and your cancer risk increases. Our clients experience it firsthand. They had autoimmune disease for years. They were on chemotherapy and they got infections frequently, like a client Rudy, who almost lost his leg because his infection was not healing due to the medications he was taking for his rheumatoid arthritis. A small cold could turn into pneumonia. A pimple can turn into a major wound. And the clients even developed cancer and osteoporosis after being on these medications. So this is true immunosuppression. What we do is opposite. We do not suppress your immune system. And if anybody telling you who's trying to help you heal from a disease and they're telling you that they're going to suppress your immune system, they do not know what they're talking about. And they certainly cannot help you the way that we have been able to help our clients. We do not suppress your immune system. We optimize your immune function so your body can repair itself and defend you better. And how do we do that? Through targeted cellular nutrition. For example, we teach you what to eat to not suppress your immune system, but to regulate and to restore it. When we work with our clients one-on-one, we combine specific nutrients in the right dosage and hydration strategies that rebuild your immune system at the cellular level. Our clients don't just reverse their autoimmune conditions. They stop getting sick. They're no longer the ones who catch every cold like they used to. Even during COVID, many of our clients told us everybody in my house got it. They all got sick, but I did not get it. That's not suppression. That's true immune resilience. So our method is simple, and this is how it works. We shut down inflammation. We stop the immune system attacking your body in case of autoimmune disease. And we repair your cells. We rebuild your cellular function so your body stops sabotaging. And we also teach you how to maintain your health long term. You learn exactly how to stay symptom free without medication, supplements, or fear of flare up. So, no more pills, no more supplements. Just cellular science put into daily action, tailored to your specific health issues and challenges. We do not just focus on a specific disease, also. We focus on optimizing immune system without supplements, herbs, fasting, or following some kind of outdated protocol. Our specialty is to optimize your cellular nutrition to repair the damage that's been done by your disease, reverse your disease as quickly as humanly possible. So every organ, every single cell in your body will function the best way. Our clients get incredible results because we solve their problems and teach you how to heal the whole body, not just treat individual symptoms. You know you're following the right plan when everything gets better, including your gut health, your blood pressure, your high cholesterol, your hormones, your nerve pain, your brain function improves, your metabolism, your skin, and your hair. We had many clients who had alopecia, their hair regrew. So this is just few of the hundreds of women and men that we helped. Our client Sheila, who's a nurse that we worked with, she struggled with Sjogren's disease that was causing her to have dry eyes, dry mouth, joint pain, constipation, fatigue, and many other symptoms. And she became symptom free in just 21 days. I was working together because we work with clients every day and track your symptoms and provide specific guidance. And a client, Kelly, who had Hashimoto, she was spending $5,000 every year on doctor visits, and she continued having symptoms that were not going away. In just 2 weeks I was working together, all of her symptoms like joint pain, fatigue, and hair loss were gone, and they stayed gone. And we even had clients report normalized labs and complete disease remission without a single supplement or drug. So here's the truth. You can keep chasing one more supplement or one more functional doctor or more complicated protocols, or you can finally stop consuming information for the rest of, this is for people who don't want to be doing it for the rest of their life. And if you're ready to go through our proven process that has helped hundreds of people at this point see rapid improvements in their health, and you're ready to get personal help with your case, and to help us guide you through it, to help you save thousands of dollars on future treatments that don't really work. We help you regain your energy, focus, and joy, and finally feel like you used to feel before you got sick. Then click the button below to complete a survey. This helps us understand your current health situation and goals. And once you submit it, we'll personally review your answers, and we may even send you a video response back with our recommendations. And if we believe that you're really gonna benefit from our help, we gonna invite you to book a private consultation with me directly, not somebody else, okay? This is your opportunity to get expert insight into what's really keeping you stuck and what it would take to turn things around for you. But remember, again, this is not for everyone. This is for people who are ready to stop experimenting and start recovering with a proven science-based process that has helped people around the world reverse all types of inflammatory conditions, even after decades of pain. And we've had clients who've been sick for 20 years or longer who even saw improvements in their health. So if this sounds like you, complete the survey below and your next chapter starts right now.